Welcome to using SpeechStream to support remote learning. We are aware that many schools and school systems will be adjusting to more online and remote learning, and we want to show you how SpeechStream helps make online learning and assessment content more accessible for those students using digital environments. SpeechStream is a cloud-based language and literacy support toolbar, which provides edtech publishers with a means to embed reading and writing support tools, including text-to-speech read aloud with synchronous highlighting, translation, word prediction, and other support tools into digital learning and assessment content, giving all learners an equal opportunity to learn and facilitating independent learning, as well as providing often essential accommodations for learners and test takers with specific learning disabilities, print disabilities, language differences, auditory learners, and those with mild visual impairments. SpeechStream is used inside online learning and assessment platforms by millions of students globally and ensures the online content is delivered in a consistent, accurate, and secure manner. Now let's have a look at SpeechStream in action and the main features that can make digital learning and assessment content more accessible and available to everyone. Text-to-speech.
In 1683, the year following William Penn's settlement on the Delaware.
SpeechStream reads text aloud with dual color highlighting by simply hovering over, clicking on, or selecting any text. The various options for reading aloud give the user navigation control, and the click-to-speak functionality is especially useful for those using touch devices. Hearing text read aloud along with synchronous text highlighting reinforces understanding, increases focus, and improves retention. It supports users with low literacy, mild visual impairments, a range of learning difficulties, and auditory learners. The dual color highlighting helps with sensory processing and focus, and is particularly useful for students experiencing dyslexia, as they can confuse similar looking letters, shapes, and words, causing mistakes and visual tracking challenges when reading. Pronunciation editing for content creators.
Records. Records.
SpeechStream offers tools to instruct the voice on how to pronounce proper nouns or adjust the read aloud for heteronyms to ensure the correct content-sensitive use case, ensuring accuracy and a consistent user experience. Our off-page pronunciation editor toolbar, shown here, provides publishers with a means to alter the pronunciation of a word within the HTML. Pronunciations can be created using the pronunciation editor toolbar at book level and page level. If more granular pronunciation adjustments are required, we also offer inline pronunciation tuning. Translation.
Noun. Mercado.
SpeechStream can translate online content into a wide range of languages and reads the translation aloud in most of the common languages. This means users can read and listen to single or multiple words in their preferred language to help with understanding and navigation. Screen masking. SpeechStream screen masking features help learners to maintain focus and is helpful for those who need assistance with tracking. It also helps reduce eye strain and can help with light or colour sensitivity. The letterbox style shown here is particularly useful for dyslexic users as it helps them pick up what they want to focus on while masking the surrounding areas. Vocabulary builder. SpeechStream allows students to build vocabulary lists from individually highlighted words. A new web page is loaded with a table containing the highlighted words with a dictionary definition, a picture dictionary result, and a space to add notes. This enables students to create individualized study guides. The picture dictionary and dictionary tools can be particularly useful for students with specific learning differences who can struggle with visual recall, which may cause a word which is learned one day to be forgotten the next. SpeechStream helps here by supporting students to understand the meaning of the word in context. Control over how the learning content is read aloud to students.
This assessment example for English language arts reading passage with reading passage. Undoubtedly the first to bring a knowledge of cough.
EdTech publishers can use inline commands in this way to control how the content within pages is read aloud to the student using SpeechStream. This example shows a reading passage and associated questions and can be used to demonstrate how EdTech publishers can enable SpeechStream to ignore text and to set a specific start point for the play icon, ensuring online content is delivered consistently and optimizes the user experience. Writing support tools. SpeechStream can also include writing support tools for use by students within supported open text fields. The writing support tools include word prediction and spelling and grammar checking. To discuss this in more detail or for more information on SpeechStream, visit texthelp.com/products/SpeechStream or email prosol, that's PROSOL, @texthelp.com.